Mastering idioms, understanding, hold the aces. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of idioms in the English language. Specifically, we're going to explore what it means to hold the aces. This phrase is not just about playing cards. It's packed with meaning and is a fantastic way to enrich your English vocabulary. So, let's get started. In this section, we'll delve into the historical background of hold the aces. The phrase comes from card games, where the ace is often the highest and most valuable card. Understanding this origin will help you grasp why this idiom implies having a significant advantage or being in a strong position. Here, we'll explore how hold the aces is used in modern English. You'll learn through various examples how this idiom can describe having control, an advantage, or superiority in different situations. This section is crucial for understanding the versatility of the phrase in everyday conversations and writing. Let's put theory into practice. In this section, I'll guide you through several exercises where you can use hold the aces in sentences. We'll also discuss contexts where this idiom is most appropriate, helping you to master its usage in your spoken and written English. Even native speakers sometimes get idioms wrong. In this part of our video, we'll cover some common errors people make when using hold the aces. By understanding these pitfalls, you'll be able to use the idiom correctly and confidently. And that's a wrap on hold the aces. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of this interesting idiom. Remember, language learning is a journey, so keep practicing and exploring. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language learning content. See you in the next video.